In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print customer invoices in Xero. Let's get started by signing in to your Xero account. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with your financial overview. We'll head straight to the area that contains your customer invoices. From the top navigation, click Sales. This opens up the Sales Hub, where you manage quotes, invoices, and payments. Next, choose Invoices to view the full list. Here you'll see drafts, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the invoice you want to print, such as filtering by status or date range. Open an invoice by clicking its reference or number. This brings up the detailed invoice view. You'll see the customer details, invoice date and due date, line items, tax, and the total amount. Before we print, a quick tip. If anything looks off, make edits here so your printed copy is accurate and professional. When you're ready, click Print PDF. Xero will prepare a PDF version of the invoice using your selected branding theme and layout. Give it a moment to load. If nothing appears, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, and allow Xero to open the PDF preview. When the PDF preview opens, review everything carefully. Confirm the customer name and address, invoice number, dates, and that all line items, quantities, and prices are correct. Double-check tax calculations and the final total, and make sure any notes or payment instructions appear as expected. This is your last chance to catch typos or formatting issues like awkward page breaks. Now click the print icon in the PDF viewer. Depending on your browser, it's usually at the top right of the preview window. This opens your system's print dialog. Select your printer settings. Choose the correct printer, then review options like pages to print, orientation, and color. For most invoices, portrait orientation and single-sided printing work best. Set the paper size to match your stationery, typically letter or A4. For clean results, consider turning off headers and footers so extra URLs and timestamps don't appear, and set scaling to 100% or fit to ensure the layout isn't cut off. If your printer supports it, verify the margins so totals and signatures remain fully visible. Finally, click Print. Your invoice will be sent to the printer and should come out exactly as shown in the preview. And that's it. You can print customer invoices directly from Xero for billing, accounting, and record keeping.